Hey guys, Xiaomi has announced it's planning for rolling out HyperOS 1.0, who is its new user interface to promise bringing significant improvement in a design and performance. Starting in the first quarter of 2024, Xiaomi users around the world will be get the new HyperOS on their device. The update will be bringing refreshed system application and improved interface performance along with the new features. The company moved to base HyperOS on the latest Android 14 means user can expect an operating system that outperforms its predecessor. So this device will be receive HyperOS update starting in first quarter 2024. Xiaomi 13, Xiaomi 13 Pro, Xiaomi 13 Ultra, Xiaomi 13T, Xiaomi 13T Pro, Xiaomi 12T, Xiaomi 12T Pro, and Xiaomi 11T. And the last one, Xiaomi Pad 6. User of this device can be looking forward to the update in the upcoming year, confirmed by official Xiaomi sources. For those devices not on the list, Xiaomi plans to extend HyperOS 1.0 to many of its other devices, including those under the Redmi and Poco branding. The company has sharing the latest internal HyperOS version number for the upcoming devices. So that's pretty much all about the HyperOS latest leaks and information. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.